I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
What's up, people? Yeah, it's your guy, the better. The crypto market looks boring. Bitcoin looks boring. Are we going to see some sort of pump soon? Are we seeing good things in the future? Or maybe we're going to see a dump anytime soon? But looking at this chart, this is the Ichimoku chart. It shows that we might see Bitcoin come right down to about $28,264, or maybe Bitcoin can get to 28,977. But we don't know. All we are expecting is that we should get some volatility and the market should decide where it's heading at next, because everyone at this point in time is speculating what is going to happen soon. Guys, you're welcome back. Yeah, I'm your guy, the Beton. Always happy to bring you guys stuff going on in the crypto space. I'm gonna be doing this live show every day by God's grace. To come here every 7 o'clock or 7:30 to do this with you guys. And at one point also, I'm gonna be doing live trading session with most of you who are gonna be part of my community or who are gonna be part of my trading community. I want us to start, this trading community that we can be trading every day together. Help each other grow in this industry. Now, looking at Bitcoin, I think that we might see a Bitcoin pump soon. But first of all, if say I look at the chart indication in the market, it shows that we might see a little bit of a dump, or let's say the price might plunge downward for a short while, then the price might go back up. I think most investors are waiting. There's a lot of buy orders around 28,000, 27,000 price point. So let's just look at this chart, to see what's going on. I'm going to go through some other crypto news going on, especially what is going on in Nigeria at this point in time, and also Binance. Guys, if say you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go right now and smash the subscribe button, because I create content. I will help you to make money in the crypto space. So go right now and smash that subscribe button. All right, guys, let's look at this. I'm gonna just go through. I've been using different ways to check out the price of Bitcoin, or to give me confirmation as to where the price is heading towards. Like right now, this is the value range profile, value range profile. Now it plots me support and resistance. You can see these areas. This is a resistance area here, and down here is a support area. So as it stands, whenever I see price below this, to me, I think the price is oversold. And if say I see price above this zone, the price is overbought, right? So in between this zone area of interest, where most volume are being traded. So in this area, you can either be buy, like you can see, in the past, these areas have respected itself. In the past, you can see here clearly that these areas have respected itself, and you can use only this alone to plot difference, like to give you a concise, to an extent concise support and resistance where you can trade in between and take out profit when the market is consolidating. In terms of like after a pump, price always consolidates, before it can go to either direction. As it stands, you can see here, guys. I have plotted this. There's this range here below. You can see where I am right now. Let me extend this so I can get more clear data on what is going on here. So let me extend this to the right. Okay. Right now, I can see here that I've plotted this. Let me take this up a little bit, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let me first of all take out this. Okay, you can see there's a range here that I plotted using this value profile, and Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin has been respecting this area here, this zone here, trading in between this, this zone. And whenever we see price in between this zone, it means price is consolidating somehow, thinking or looking at what direction to take. But if say we look at the long term, we're gonna see that on the this is the 4 hour time frame, guys. We're gonna see that Bitcoin has been going down, 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 and now we are seeing some sort of consolidation, right? And this tells me that we might see a breakout somehow to the upside before we see maybe a downward movement. And this is also forming a strong value area here, where I think in the future it's gonna act as a strong support and resistance. I think if say we see price break above this 29,500, and if says price keep trading above 29,500, then we can see other altcoins plunge to the upside. So guys, if say you are holding other altcoins like baby Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bitget, Bryce, Floki, you want to pay attention to these zones. It's very important, because if say we see Bitcoin break down to this downside, then other altcoins are gonna follow Bitcoin, the same way. And the final, like, let me not say the final, the main area of interest that I think Bitcoin can bounce from is this area here, this zone here, and this one down here. You can see. So if say Bitcoin is going down, let me see how many percent that's gonna be. Let me see. Let's see. That's gonna be about 2% or 3. Let me just say 3%. And if say we see a move like that, 3% move like that to the downside, then be rest assured that we can see other altcoins move like for like about, let's say 15%, 10%. We have seen in the past, how other altcoins, like how they fall and move in value when Bitcoin moves. So pay attention to this area. This zone here is a crucial zone that I want you guys to see. We know that Bitcoin affects the price of Bitcoin affect all altcoins. So if say you are trading altcoins or you are holding any altcoin there, out there, you should look at these zones as a zone of interest. Looking at what you're gonna do. Like if say Bitcoin break and start trading above this zone, then you want to start looking at ways to buy more of your altcoin, because in that case, your altcoins are gonna move more than Bitcoin. But at this point in time, I think the wise thing to do is to be in Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin gives the direction, then you can sell your Bitcoin and buy the other altcoins afterward. So I think this is a play, or this is what I've been doing. Looking at what is going on in the market, looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin gives me like an urge as to where I might expect the market to go to move toward. And when we look at Bitcoin dominance, also Bitcoin dominance has been going to the downside. This is the 4 hour. Let me go to the daily time frame with dominance, so we can see. Yeah, let me refresh it so I can get it properly. You can see, yeah, after this huge move, of course, we're gonna see dominance plunge downward. But as it stands, I think we are seeing some strain with other altcoins. If say we see dominance, move to the downside, then we want to see altcoins, plunge in value, like Ethereum, we should expect Ethereum to, give us some kind of signal, because Ethereum haven't yet moved. We know XRP had a huge move, but the XRP movement, didn't really affect all altcoins. It wasn't that sustainable, but we know that Ethereum, when Ethereum moves, it's gonna impact all other altcoins out there. So we wanna see Ethereum move. Like, let's pray for Ethereum to move so that we can see um huge upside with other altcoins. Now, guys, going to crypto news. There's a breaking news here that Hex token plummets 25% following SEC lawsuit against founder Richard Hart. So it seems as if the U.S. securities is going after Richard Hart, the founder of Hex. Hex token, the Hex project. So I think this is we have to pay a close keep a close eye on different project out there. That's why I told you guys that if say you are buying a project and holding it long term, you should be ready for things like this. You can wake up someday and see your coin goes down 100% without anything, fundamentally that affected the project. But maybe a news like this, like the a government can come and say the project is like this, or like in this case we see the U.S. security saying that, or they are not, like they are saying that they are fighting a lawsuit against the founder Richard Hart. So this alone is a sign for you guys to see that altcoins that you're gonna be like, if you're buying altcoins, don't buy it and hold it forever. Always make sure that you are in Bitcoin, and if you're buying other altcoins, you should be it shouldn't be so much of a portfolio. You should always be ready to take out profit immediately you see a pump, and when you start seeing consolidation, you want to get back into Bitcoin. Then you start looking at different opportunity to get in, or look at other coins to get in. This is how I go about these days. I don't just keep my money in this altcoin, because anything can happen. You can wake up and hear that this altcoin is going to zero, or something like this has happened. So it's always recommended you guys pay attention to this. I really want us to be successful in this industry. Well, I want us to always be doing the right thing, not to fall prey to all this, not to be a victim, right? Because imagine that you were holding this hex coin, and you wake up in the morning and found out that the coin have plunged downward 25%. And if, say, let's say for example, you bought hex and the price of hex pumped, then you took out profit. Now you would have have an opportunity to buy more hex cheaper, because the market has presented you with a cheaper price for hex. And there is this news here, this Binance news. This is a good news. Binance becomes first to receive operational MVP license in Dubai. Wow. Binance is one of the not is the biggest exchange in the world, as of now. And I see many people hating Binance. They don't love Binance. And despite the hate that I see on Twitter, Binance have not stopped, or have never stopped building. Binance keep building. I still believe that Binance is gonna be the leader in this industry, like the central bank. Even though the central bank of crypto, even though most people are fighting so hard to I think to an extent what they're doing is okay, to limit Binance to an extent, because if say we give Binance that much power to be to be the sole, like the only biggest exchange out there, then it might be monopoly, or it might become monopoly in crypto, and we might see bad things happening in the future. Maybe government can get involved, and the government always find a way to get in. In regardless of what business you have, government always look for a way to get in. So if say Binance become that big, you would know. So that's why I think to an extent we see different influencers out there, or different players in this industry are trying to sabotage Binance, or to drive users to other exchanges. Of course, guys, but the BNB token is not a token that I hold long term. I always hold this token. If say I want to swap, or like use Trust Wallet, or maybe buy Binance based project, so of course BNB is always going to be relevant. And Binance, the platform is so huge, it's into so many like they are into real estate, they are into e-commerce, they are into affiliate marketing, they are into they are offering payment gateway. There's like you can buy with your Binance card in shop. Binance have their own I forgot how they call it, this and payment gateway, this machine that when you go to the shop, you want to buy in the shop, this machine that you put your card, like you scan. I think this is P something machine. I forgot the name of the machine, but Binance is offering such machine right now in many shops, in many like yeah, in many shops, on-site shops. You can go there and you see these machines where you can shop online. So I think to an extent Binance is one of the biggest player in the industry. So you wanna pay attention to that. Don't think that Binance is gonna go away. Binance is here to stay. And there's this news here that in Nigeria, where is my Nigerian people? It's crazy what the most African government are trying to do. With cryptocurrency. I see the Binance, the Nigerian government or their security coming, mentioning this, that Nigeria declares Binance illegal in the country once public on crypto. You know, Nigeria SEC declares Binance operation illegal in the country along with other unregistered crypto platforms. The SEC issued a notice ordering all crypto platforms providers to cease soliciting Nigerian citizens. Nigeria CBDC digital naira faces adoption challenges amid the central bank's effort to promote its usage. I mean, guys, it's crazy to see. Like, I don't know if you say these guys think they can actually ban Binance or ban an exchange or maybe restrict. Okay, well, I'm not seeing here that is banned. It's not banned. They say it's illegal in the country along with other unregistered crypto platforms. So maybe what they are trying to say is Binance I think Binance is registered in Nigeria or maybe in some states in Nigeria. Yeah, let me say it that way because Nigeria is so big, and I think different states have different laws to an extent. If say you guys are from Nigeria, most of you are from Nigeria. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think Binance is illegal in Nigeria. In a significant regulatory development, the Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria has officially deemed the operation of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, as illegal within the country. We just saw that Binance got a license from Dubai, and now we are seeing we are seeing this nonsense from Nigeria. Nigeria is one of the top countries when it comes to crypto adoption. There are so many people in Nigeria who are into crypto, and looking at what these guys are saying, it's crazy to see that they are actually doing this. I don't know. Maybe they want Binance to come in and give them some bribe. Tinubu's government is somehow maybe they don't understand digital currency. Let me say it that way. But this is the news about Nigeria. That's what they are saying about Nigeria. I don't know how. I think most Nigerians are looking at this are like saying, oh, "You guys are crazy. We already know how to get our crypto with or without Binance." I think Nigeria is when it comes to adoption. Nigeria have seen I mean where they are in adoption is that far. They are far away. They are so far to an extent that no one can actually stop them from doing crypto. They are so into it in the sense that they already know the what's up, how to get crypto, regardless if say bank or the government is trying to prevent them from doing so. All right, guys, this is it for today. This is what I want you guys to see, to know about the market. Hopefully, we're gonna see a movement with Bitcoin soon. Of course, we want to see Bitcoin move. Bitcoin should move because if Bitcoin don't move, then other altcoin are not gonna move. Bitcoin is the alpha. Let's face it. If Bitcoin doesn't move, your altcoin will move. And if your altcoin move, it won't be sustainable. It will just be like pump and dump. But what we are seeing right now in the market, it's like we are seeing money is changing hands. Let me put it that way. We are seeing money leaving from one project to another project. Like for example, today Dogecoin will pump, and you see an investor will take out profit and pump Shiba Inu, and they'll pump the next meme coin. They'll pump Pepe. They'll pump Cardano. They'll pump. I mean, so that money has been going around like that. So that there hasn't been really anything sustainable long term. So I think to an extent, if say you guys want to actually protect yourself, then make sure you follow Bitcoin. Look at at Bitcoin trend. When Bitcoin moves, then you can dive into your altcoin. And if say you have a project that you have coins that you love so much, you believe in it long term, then you can use Bitcoin to DCA those coins. In those coins. So if say Bitcoin dip, those coins are gonna dip more, then you can sell your Bitcoin, buy the altcoins. When they pump a little bit, you sell it into Bitcoin. So you can, even though the market is going down, you are accumulating a lot of Bitcoin and lot of your coins as well. So that's how you can go about it. Instead of you just leaving your coin like that without doing anything about it. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoy the show. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you already subscribed. I almost forgot that.